how to feature collection in Shopify store. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can feature collection in Shopify store. Well, the process is pretty simple. Simply click on the left side where you guys see the option for online store, and then after that simply click on apps at the bottom. Now from over here click on recommended applications, and now from over here simply click on Shopify App Store. Now that's gonna take you guys over to another page, and as soon as you guys go over to this page, now from over here simply click on the search apps button and type in over here featured. So as soon as you type in featured, press enter, and then after that you guys are going to see many different plugins come up. So now from over here you guys can choose to add in any one of these options to basically feature your products, but my best one is the featured product slider. So guys, using this particular tool you guys can actually add in a product slider to basically have all of your products featured right on your page, and you guys can just simply have the customer check them out in a very nice product slider. So open up the product image slider carousel. Now from over here simply click on add application, and this particular application is going to be added, and your page is going to look something like this, and you will be able to just simply add in products over here to have them featured on your channel in a slider, on your store in a slider. Thank you so much for watching guys. This was the video. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.